Today we're going to create a digital color wheel. Here's a page that I have made lots of samples of different ways you can make your color wheel on the digital screen. I have that on the second page on my slideshow. Let's click on the first slide. Now you have a blank page where you're going to create your designs on this page. Let's start out with our shape tool here. I can click on shapes. I have all of these to choose from, including smiley faces, hearts, lightning bolts, etc. You can choose arrows, callouts, which are these starbursts, and even these equations. Let's go do something basic with a circle. When I first place a circle, it's an oval. I don't want it to be an oval. I want it to be a perfect circle. So instead, I'm going to click on the circle, hold down the Shift key, and then when I click and drag, it stays as a perfect circle. I don't want those outlines to be showing though. So I'm going to come up here, click on the outline button, and click on transparent. Now I don't have that line around it. I want to change that color, and you can do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, or you can even do cyan, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Let's start with red. Okay, I'm going to create more of these circles in a really easy way with the keyboard shortcuts. I'm going to click Control-C for copy, Control-V for paste, and Control-V again to paste another one. Let's change these to our primary colors. So this one is going to be yellow, and this one will be blue. Now, that's my primary color wheel, but I want secondary colors in there. So I'm going to click on this yellow, Control-C and Control-V. Let's make another one. It's going to go right in between there. But this time, when I mix red and yellow, what color do I get? I'm going to get orange. Okay, now I need to make the color that goes in between red and blue. What happens when you mix those colors? Let's find out. I am going to mix those together, and it is violet. Okay, and in between blue and yellow, we've got green. I actually don't like these colors of green, so I'm going to make a custom color. And I'm going to click, move this down. I'm going to make my slider go down, and this is more of a green that I would like. So I'll place that there. Here's my secondary color wheel. Now, if I would want to get fancy, I can make it a tertiary color wheel where I have colors in between red and orange, which you guys tell me that color is called red-orange because the red comes first because that's the primary color. So I'm going to make a new color that goes right in between there that is actually going to have to be custom. It's going to be right in between red and orange for more of a red-orange color. Now let's put one in here. It's in between yellow and green, and it is called yellow-green. That's kind of a fun color. I have an apple green, and let's place another circle. I'm making those really fast by pressing Control-C and Control-V. Now I need to make one that goes in between blue and green. My tertiary color is going to go in between green and blue or blue and green, and it's going to go right in there. This one is actually called green-blue. So you can arrange these however you want. You can arrange these so that the red, let's say, would go on top. Click on Arrange, Order, Bring to Front. You can arrange them however you want. So that's my basic tertiary color wheel, but how do I make that into a bunch of different designs? So I'm going to click those all together, right-click, Change Shape. How fun is this? Watch what happens. I'm going to make them all into hearts. And now I have a different color wheel. Okay, so I'm going to click and drag, copy that entire thing, and paste the entire thing. I can even shrink it down. So now I can fit a lot on my page. I'm clicking and dragging out to select all of them. I'm going to move that up there. And I'm going to paste a lot of these around the screen because I'm going to change these and see what I can come up with for my color wheel. let's say, for example, I want to change this one. I'm going to right click and I'm going to change shape. Let's see what it looks like if I have lightning bolts. Let's change this one here. Select all of them, right click, change shape. I have never done this one before. Let's see if it works. Stars. Let's grab this one, click and drag to select all, right click, and I'm going to change shape. Let's look at arrows maybe. Okay, and select, right click, change shape. Let's go with suns, etc. Now you have a bunch of different color wheels.